Ongea wewe uko na nini maskini unaishi kwa debe. Mimi ni tajiri boss. Mimi sio kama wewe. Bado bimam na mimi. Naomba nini? Naomba nini? Mimi ni tajiri wewe ni maskini wewe kuja nikuandike watchman kwangu. Nani wewe? Kuja. Wewe ni nani wewe? Kwenda. Kwenda. Nanipeleka wapi?
Who is General Dafoe and why does he remain so confident, even after losing so much? Many Kenyans have been asking this question. Gerard Okoth Okedo, popularly known as General Dafoe, saw his multi-million Marurui home demolished during the controversial Nairobi evacuation that left many Kenyans homeless. Reports indicate that his lavish mansion, allegedly worth 13 million, was among property targeted following a long-running land dispute and court-backed demolition in the area. During the demolition, Dufla was arrested after confronting police officers, accusing them of carelessly tear-gassing his home while his children were still inside and damaging vehicles in his compound.
Barabara. Mimi nilikuwa kwa nyumba because nyumba yangu na barabara ni plot moja alafu. Sasa nikikuwa kwa nyumba askari wakakuja wakaanza kupika tear gas. Sasa the problem ambayo niliweka nikatoka nje, ile tear gas ilikuwa inapigwa ndani ya boma. Walipiga tear gas ikapasua dirisha, zikaingia kwa nyumba, walipiga tear gas ikafunja magari juu. Ile sunroof hapo juu. Sasa ikabidi nitoke nje because ile kitu na heshima kwa maisha yangu na watoto wangu. Ilibidi nitoke nje niende niulize ni kitu gani wanafanya. Hapo ndio wakanishika.
Days later, he was arraigned at Makadara Law Court and charged with unlawful assembly and obstruction after allegedly mobilizing residents in protesting against the demolition. Despite his legal trouble, Dufla remained unapologetic. In an interview with Obina TV, he defended his action, insisting he could not stay silent while police endangered his family. He openly criticized the officers, saying they acted recklessly, and maintained that he was simply protecting his children and properties. Dufla also expressed frustration over Kenyan legal system, claimed he had little faith in pursuing justice through the court regarding the dispute land. According to him, the legal battle was a waste of resources, and he believed that if ODM leader Raila Odinga was still alive, his land and home will never been lost.
Kuna kitu hata mimi niliuliza huyo baba angekuwa nyumba yangu ingebomolewa.
You believe so?
Haya, haingebomolewa.
Kama baba
angekuwa ingebomolewa.
Sasa baba ni landlord wako?
Ningekuwa mali naweza piga simu, hiyo pressure ingesimama kidogo. Angekuwa. That is what I know.
Oh.
Yes, even after the demolition, arrest, and public controversy, General Dafoe continued to push forward politically. He is actually campaigning for the Ruaraka MP seat ahead of 2027 general election, projecting confidence despite the seat back. Just to remind you, this is not Dafoe's first encounter with scandal. Back in 2019, while serving as Mathare North MCA, he was arrested by Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission alongside the county official over allegation of 1 million bribe connecting to a school land dispute, though he denied the accusation and pleaded not guilty. The case thrusted him further into national headlines and strengthened his reputation as one of Nairobi's most controversial political figures. Before politics, Dafoe was already a prominent figure in Mathare North, where he was often associated with powerful youth group and land-related network. Some accounts have also linked his name to tensions surrounding the construction of Kasarani Girls High School in 2007. He first vied for MCA seat in 2013 but lost before finally securing victory in 2017 under ODM. Over the year, General Dafu has cultivated an image as a fearless grassroots politician, bold, outspoken, and often willing to challenge both state authorities and political insiders. While critics view him as controversial and confrontational, and his supporters see him as a resilient leader who speaks for ordinary Nairobi residents. Despite losing his home, facing multiple arrests, and enduring endless political storms, General Dafu insists that his political journey is far from over. As he campaigned for Ruaraka MP, he continued to position himself as a figure who refused to back down, proving that even demolition and controversy have not shaken his ambition. His jacket treads Kenya, where stories come to life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.